In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Draw.io for sequence diagram. By the end, you'll know how to quickly generate a sequence diagram with AI and how to build one from scratch using the built-in UML shape libraries. Start by opening the Draw.io website in your browser. On the home screen, create a new blank diagram or open an existing one. If you want to move fast, you can let AI do the heavy lifting. Look for the option to describe your sequence diagram in plain text. Write a short, clear description of the interaction you want to visualize, such as who the participants are and the order of the messages they send. The more specific your description, the better the result. When you're happy with your text, click Generate and give it a moment to process. When the diagram appears, review it carefully. You can drag participants to reposition them, rename lifelines by double-clicking their labels, and refine message arrows so they read in the correct order. If something doesn't look right, adjust it rather than regenerating immediately. Small edits are often faster, and keep your layout intact. Use the formatting panel to change fonts, arrow styles, and line types, and use alignment guides to keep everything tidy and readable. If you'd rather build the diagram from scratch, that's totally fine. First, enable the dedicated UML libraries so you have all the shapes you need. On the left sidebar, click More Shapes. Scroll until you find UML and UML 2.5. You can click each one to preview what's inside so you know what you're getting. When you're ready, check both UML and UML 2.5. Then click Apply. Back in the left sidebar, you'll now see the UML section. Open that submenu and choose the shapes you prefer for sequence diagrams, like lifelines, activation bars, and message connectors. Drag a lifeline onto the canvas for each participant in your interaction. Add messages by dragging the appropriate connector between lifelines, then label each message clearly to show the order of calls and responses. If a participant performs work, drop in an activation bar to represent that processing time. Keep elements evenly spaced so the time flow from left to right is easy to follow. And use the built-in snapping and alignment tools to keep everything consistent. That's it. Whether you generate with AI and fine-tune the result, or build it yourself with the UML libraries, you now have a clear path to creating accurate, readable sequence diagrams in Draw.io. Congratulations!